Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is robotics. It's all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all of you my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is robotics? In simple terms, robotics combines science, engineering, and technology to design, construct, operate, and use machines programmed to replicate, substitute, or assist humans in completing tasks of varying complexity. These machines are known as robots. That's it guys, no? That is the concise and short description of what is robotics is all about that plays an important role in our day-to-day lives. Robots are used in many applications in the industry, medical, in other fields, no, including military. So thank you for your support in watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.